Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix YouTube dark mode is not working on PC. So in this video I will show you a couple of solutions, and if it worked out for you, please press like button and subscribe for more. So the first one, what you need to do here, you need to, if you're using Chrome, you just need to press on three little dots here, and then you need to go to settings, and once you're here, then you need to go to customize your Chrome profile here and select black theme, and then go back to YouTube, press on your profile here, and go to appearance and go to with the dark theme, right? And if the problem persists, then I have another solution for you. So here you need to press on three little dots here, go to more tools, developer tools, and here press press these two arrows to the right and go to application here, or maybe here. So you just need to find application and then expand cookies, and you will see YouTube here. But make sure to be on YouTube first, right? Open up your youtube.com, right? And then scroll down until you see, as you can see here, pref. Press on that, and then you just need to delete this one, right? And if for some reason you cannot do that, you can also delete the cookies through Chrome. You just need to press on three little dots here, go to settings, and then you need to go to privacy and security, and then you need to go cookies and other site data, and then scroll down until you see all data and permissions, and here it will be YouTube, or on search you can write YouTube simply and just delete the cookies here. And if the problem persists, then the last solution for you is to download this Chrome extension, Improve YouTube here. As you can see here, it's on Chrome Web Store. You just need to write on Google Improve YouTube Web Store and download this extension. So when you are on YouTube here, you can change themes. So for example, I can change to a night theme, I can change to default, I can change to dark, and plenty of others, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.